unboxing. You can talk about it, Scotty.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing an unboxing here. So I'll let you do the unbox. You do the unboxing. This is Scotty's new watch. What is it? What is it? What can it be? What can it be? Oh my God! What is it? An IWC. Holy smokes! Batman. Okay. I think that's good. I told you to get an IWC. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Open. Oh my God, I love the black. Oh yes. Take it out and wear it, Scotty. You gonna wear it?
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Okay, can I see? Ooh, well, the same box as mine or slightly different?
I think exactly the same.
Bump. Puppy power. Okay, let's go. Oh wow. It's an inchie? Oh my God, Scotty! So the new Ingenieur reference, this is reference
3239.
3239.
They comes in 3 options: black dial, white dial, black dial,
white dial,
and white dial with rose gold indices. So this is.
See, can you open the box? Let me just open the box. We'll film the whole box since you're here.
Yep.
So we've got the oh,
tools underneath.
Tools. Wow. Yep. Tools.
So
do my tools fit in the back too? I don't know.
They would if they had if there was elastic there. That's got elastic to keep it in.
Yeah. Okay.
So with
spare link. I cannot believe this. Can you show me the warranty cards?
Yes, so let's get it all out.
Wowzers, it feels beautiful. I can feel it's a lot thinner.
It's almost brand new condition.
Yes, sorry. Yep, turn that around. Oh, that's the IWC. Can we turn it around? Is it okay? Oh, this tells you it's a IW 323904.
29 September 13.
Wow, 29 September 13. So it's fairly new watch. That's for anything else here, but we can put all your stuff away now if you like, Scotty, because we don't need to open it again. Oh, you got the gloves. You got the gloves. I normally take that out completely, but it's up to you what you do with your accessories.
But the books, I mean, they're
Are they as good as my books?
Yeah, they're
same sort of.
I don't even think it's been
handled by human hands.
I think he's just had it sitting. The previous owners just had it sitting there. He's never used it once. He's never opened it once. You can tell by he's still got the
inner and everything. I'll let you. You can follow because you don't need to put the watch back in there. You can put the box away after we've So there we go, guys. I'll let you do it, Scotty. You do a perfect job, so it's all done there. Wow, I can't believe it, Scotty.
I'll never have to open this up again. So.
What's on the back of the cushion? Underneath the cushion, anything there special?
That was just that.
Oh, that's just there. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Is it the same sort of box as mine?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Okay, beautiful. Just close it all up, Scotty. Just close it up. Wowzers, Scotty. That is. I normally don't leave the bubble wrap in the box because it can actually. It leaves a mark because it's got chemical in it.
Oh, okay. I'll take it out.
No, I'm just saying. I take the bubble wrap out of it.
Yes.
So, because it can leave a stain on that white stuff there.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
No, because I know because I used to have model trains and you always wrap them up in paper. You don't wrap them in bubble wrap because it leaves a chemical. Okay, Scotty, just put that
straight back.
Straight back. Wow, that's beautiful. You can still keep that. I'm very, very impressed with it. I got to say, Scotty, that's nice.
So where is it now? Is it?
It's in my hand. It's in my hand, Scotty.
So if you film it, I'll tell the feature. So it's 40 mil.
40 mil.
40 mil. Only 10 mil thick. Now that's thinner. That's thinner than an Explorer 1.
Wow.
So it's very wearable. It's very wearable. This one, of course, has the crown guards, but the dial is beautiful. You zoom in the dial, it does have a slight. It's not really textured. It's just the finish.
It's kind of a layered dial, isn't it?
It is a layered dial, yes, but it's just the colour of the dial. It's really beautiful.
The crown guards. Do you like the crown guards?
Well, on that one, yeah, I quite like them. It's
the white dial. How do you find the white?
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. It's my first white dial.
Oh, you're joking?
But it's very wearable because it's a very, you know, it's lighter.
Yep.
It's light. It's not as thick.
If I would have known you had this, I would have bought mine in G, so we could have they could have a chat together.
So it's very thin, 10 mil thick. I mean, that's nothing. That's like, for example, a Bond Seamaster is 13 mil.
Yes.
So it's thinner than that. I think an Explorer is 11 mil, so 10 mil thick. So it's very, very thin. Only 40 mil.
Case
it's got
back on it there.
Same bracelet as yours.
Yep.
The case back's the same as yours.
Is the bracelet slightly smaller?
It probably is a bit small, yeah.
It's only a 40 mil watch.
That's
mine's
right.
a 42.5.
That's
and
right.
mine's quite girthy because it's got the anti-magnetic, where this one doesn't have the anti-magnetic.
I think it does actually have the
properties, anti-magnetic
It's
properties.
got the Faraday cage inside.
Wow.
It does have that.
I don't know if it did. I thought I took it out.
Not of that one. Maybe the one with the transparent case back, perhaps. No, this one's got it. It's got it.
Wow, it is beautiful. Do you love it?
I do.
Wow, there we go. I would never ever have picked this. Out of all the things you've told me, I would never ever have
Because there's
picked
not
it.
that many white dial sports
I
watches.
love a white dial sports watch.
Yeah.
I actually regret selling that brightly. You know that brightly?
Yes,
I
yes.
regret selling that, Scotty. Well, thank you so much indeed, Scotty. There we go. Full of surprises on the ArchieLuxury channel. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel, and today, guys, I want to introduce a new website for you. Crypto Trends 2018. That's right, Crypto Trends. Are you a crypto investor? Are you putting money on cryptos? I put my toe into cryptos. Yes, I have. I put my money into BitConnect. I put my money into Davlaw. Lost most of it, then I decided to stop. So guys, cryptos, cryptocurrency. If you are a crypto king, check out Crypto Trends 2018. Please, guys, go and have a look. They're giving me a small. I'm trying to get a sponsorship deal happening with Crypto Trends. So, guys, go and take a look. Crypto Trends 2018. I'll put a link in this video. Check it out, Crypto Trends. Tell me what you guys think of that.
Okay.
Hi guys. A fan of mine has been inspired to start a wristwatch series of his own. Bitter Poet Madman. That's the name of his channel. And the show is called It's Complicated. That's right, it's complicated. It looks like he has some nice examples. I saw he has a Rolex. He recently just got an Omega. He talks watch accessories, does reviews, unboxings, and talks about new and pre-owned wristwatches. Again, the channel name is Bitter Poet Madman. Bitter Poet Madman. So why don't you fuckers let that fucker know what you think of that. Bitter Poet Madman channel.
Hey yo, I'm Bitter Poet Madman, the host of It's Complicated, a wristwatch series. We talk about luxury watches, we talk about affordable watches, we're gonna review those watches, we're gonna talk about the watch market in general. I'm gonna tell you how to get good bargains, I'm gonna show you how to find good watches used, I'm gonna show you how to find affordable watches new, and how to save money on that grail piece that you're looking at.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel, Paul Pluta channel, and my good friend Tanzillin, answering super chats. It's not about the money. I feel like I'm doing my passion. Tanzillin, simply the best. And he's got another one for you here. How's this? It's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's my passion. Shitling on time. Simply the best. Now, guys, I gotta tell you, I struggle to survive full-time on YouTube. Please look in the description below for 10 ways you can keep me full-time on YouTube. Guys, I really need your help. Please consider getting a paid video review. I'll do a review on any watch, any question you want. Guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. You can sponsor me for as little as $1 a month. $1 a month, and that just keeps me going on full-time on YouTube. Guys, you could also, I do phone calls. Phone calls, you can talk to me for an hour on the phone, Skype or WhatsApp, for $50 US. Guys, I really do need your help to stay full-time. Men cannot survive on Google Ads alone. Please help me. Please help me stay full-time on YouTube. And guys, don't forget that. It's not about the money. It's my passion. Shitling on time. Simply the best. Tanzillan, thank you. That's a sponsored bit from Tanzillan. I can do that for $150 a month if you email me directly. Look below for my email address, guys.